Hello and welcome everyone, this is Less Than a Minute. We have today a common mistake, pronunciation-wise and spelling-wise. Those two words, the first word with an A is staff, the second word with U is stuff. Now, the word staff, the word stuff are different in the meaning. The word staff is about people, the word stuff is about things. Let's try to put them in an example to understand the difference. First word, my staff at work threw me a party. Here means the people at work that work with me threw me a party. So staff is about the people who work with me. Second one, my stuff are all over the desk. Stuff here means my things. For example, my marker, my mouse. So staff is about people, stuff is about the things you own. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day and stay safe.